Hey guys, so for today's video, I am doing another plan with me, and this is how last week turned out. I really like it, but let's just get straight into this week, which I will be planning the 15th through the 21st. And these are the stickers that I was inspired by for this week. And I just pulled a bunch of other stickers that I'm going to be using. And if you couldn't tell already, this week is just going to be a sped up version and just with music playing in the background. Also, just wanted to do a quick announcement telling you guys that my goal for this week is to upload every day because I have a huge list of videos that I want to film. So I am really motivated to film all of those, and I hope I can get 7 videos uploaded this week, and then hopefully next week I can already have some like pre-filmed because I start school on Monday, and I am vlogging my first day, and I have a bunch of video ideas for the first week of college, so hopefully those go as planned. And that was pretty much it. So if you are new here and are not subscribed, please subscribe if you would like, because I am going to be uploading a lot lately. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.